Left, there's a camera up there. It's going to be taping this fight and all the evening's events. So do not be afraid to grab your computer tomorrow morning and log on IndianCountryTV.com. You can see what happened. You can check out your favorite fighters, disputes with our judges to see who you think really won the fight. Let's get this rolling. Our first fight of the evening. He is fighting out of the red corner. Let's bring him in. Travis John. Travis's opponent is coming out of the blue corner. Let's give him a big round of applause. Let's bring him into the ring. Lucas Wolf.
Gentlemen, you received the instructions in the locker room. Are there any questions? He's the knockout over here, switch your corner. Would you like to press gloves?
Good luck, fighters. Let's tear it up in that ring. These fighters may be fighting more than once this evening, so let's cheer them on. You're taking it to each other. Let's get behind them. Let's cheer these boys on. Let's get them jacked up. Come on, fighters, 10 seconds. Let's go. End of the round, ladies and gentlemen. That's a one heck of a way to start out. Let's get going. Nice kick, red corner. Again, nice kick.
Watch out for that kick! Come with your neighbor, come with your neighbor!
Boys are sizing each other up. There they go. They're going for it. Get behind them. Again, my blue back in the red corner, punching, taking to it, taking it around. Standing 8 count out by Jeff Dennis. End of the round. We'll be announcing now, but we are here to watch fighters. That's what I'm going to do. Watch these fighters. Let's go, gentlemen. Let's mix it up. Nice kick by blue corner. Red corner responding with the kick. This is the last round. Nice by blue corner. on the center, referee Jeff Nass, who will be handing those to Chief Official Gary Planger. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, sorry for the delay, but we had some issues. It looks to me like the winner of the first fight of this evening is fighting out of the red